Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and repair wizards out there. It's none other than the best temporary fabric glue available, the 36 by 3 grams Super Strong Glue for All-Purpose by Lucomb. This super glue isn't just your run-of-the-mill adhesive. It's a game changer in the world of crafting and repair. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about convenience. With 36 individual 3-gram tubes, you'll never have to worry about wasting a drop of glue again. Each tube is perfectly portioned for single-use applications, ensuring that your glue stays fresh and ready whenever you need it. But wait, it gets better. This super glue is not only easy to use, but it also dries in a flash. With its quick dry formula, you can say goodbye to long wait times and hello to instant bonding. Whether you're working with fabric, plastic, metal, or even glass, this glue gets the job done in 30 seconds flat. And let's not forget about precision. Thanks to the handy plastic applicator tips, you'll have complete control over your glue application. No more messy spills or sticky fingers, just smooth, seamless bonding every time. Now, let's talk versatility. This glue is perfect for a wide range of applications, from DIY crafts to industrial repairs. Whether you're fixing a broken vase, crafting custom jewelry, or repairing torn fabric, this super glue has you covered. And last but not least, Lucomb stands behind its product with reliable after-sales service. Your satisfaction is their top priority. So if you ever encounter any issues, they're just a phone call or email away. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for all your crafting and repair needs. Say goodbye to flimsy adhesives and hello to the 36 by 3 grams Super Strong Glue by Lucomb. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy crafting!